Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My people, abeg make una carry una chair, make una carry joko, make una near me come hear this story wey my ear hear. Not be only my ear go hear this one. A lot is going on inside the Edochie family. This one wey we hear so, e don chocolize us so. Hey, e don chocolize us. So not long time ago, e never take for here o. Now we dey as jejeje, we come hear say one blogger go post am say Pete Edochie don kpai. The thing they come begin dey call Pete Edochie family, the thing come result to wahala when e be say the children come dey say wetin dey happen, our papa never kpai, which one be condolence una come dey give them. Now they come carry the person wey post am go give the Edochie family say see who post am o, say una papa don kpai. So the Edochie family come provoke say una dey talk different things about their papa, they never follow una argue. But which one be kpai? How can you wish somebody wey no dey sick, leg no dey pain am, hand no dey pain am, una say e don kpai? Now the Edochie family come vex say they won't take action for this matter. They no go sit down, fold their hands again at all. They won't take action on this matter to know where all these things for they come. And truly, they truly take action. This grandpapa case, they under investigation since then. So they come begin to do investigation to see who they talk like, who they carry fake news, who they talk anything about grandpapa. It has been under investigation. For inside where they do investigation, now they come carry matter go give Pete Edochie. Hey, this matter when they carry go give Pete Edochie self shock. The man chocolize. Hey, this story when I want hear so, I beg, make una not forget to leave una comment, because we not gonna know who they lie or who they talk true. So now, during this investigation going on, they can't find out say these bloggers where they carry news about grandpapa, not be say they just wake up one day, they call, they tell una wetin the eye no see o. Most of the things when they talk, now grandpapa they carry the information pass out there. When these bloggers they hear, they go come carry, they go come talk. So they can't find out to go deep down where these bloggers for they get the information, because they not just they wake up one day come they talk story. Now from resource, now they hear the story. Now so they start to they do their research. For where they do research, they can't find out say now grandpapa himself. They can't find out say now grandpapa himself. Now they carry the news, they give bloggers. Now they go tell bloggers what they happen. Now his voice now they hear. As think they explain everything. They tell them, say, see what they happen, see how Juju Ekwesu do, see what is happening, see what is not happening. So now they can say, now they carry news, they give bloggers now. Abiona won't make money, they pay una, because some bloggers they pay to get information when they call drop for social media. Not be say they just they go hear the thing. Now some they hear like that, but some you will pay to get information from that person. So now they come, they ask grandpapa, say, you, they pay you for you to give them this information. They say now grandpapa say, information. Asa, waiting consigner, consign information. Hey, wonder shall never end. Now they come tell grandpapa, say, now your voice they hear now. Grandpapa say, God forbid. Which time and anybody they discuss this one? Which time all these things when they talk say happen? Now the investigators come say, okay, since you say no be you and you no get anything to do with this thing, they will still track them. These days, there is nothing that is not trackable. They will track it. So this investigation was going on. And they were able to track that person. Surprisingly, my lovely fans, after the investigators were able to investigate this matter, they tracked out the person that was impersonating grandpapa. They found out the person that was using grandpapa's voice. That voice where that person they give information, no be grandpapa's voice. Now that kind AI. But be like say that AI that they use for the voice, we don't know. but the voice exactly like grandpapa, but no be grandpapa na im dey talk. Hey, wonder shall never end. So when they can't do the tracking, the person wey they see say e dey impersonate grandpapa, e dey do like grandpapa, e dey talk like grandpapa, e dey pass information, dey give people anyhow, was no other person but Juju Ekwensu papa. Hey, the more galus cocoa. This family, hey, this family. Now only God now go deliver all of them. No one is good among all of them. No one that they thought say among snake children, there is no one who is they save. All of them, they be the same thing. No one is just good at all for all these children. No one at all. So, my lovely fans, they found out that Papa Juju Ekwensu, now they imitate Grandpapa according to what they talk. My narration. Now what they talk. The person where they impersonate Grandpapa, na Papa Juju Ekwensu. Papa Juju Ekwensu, now they impersonate Grandpapa. They can enter into deep investigation. Deep one. My people, if you see what they find out, at this point, Grandpapa confused. According to what they talk, they find out that Juju Ekwensu and Yo-Yo-Yo, two of them, they join together. This is not the handwork of Juju Ekwensu alone. Yo-Yo-Yo hand they inside. Yo-Yo-Yo and Juju Ekwensu put hand together, put head together. They use Papa Juju Ekwensu till they deceive people, say na grandpapa, say na Pete Edochie. If you want to hear the information from him, you want his voice and everything, you will pay. Or if you not pay, if you don't want to take the voice, to take the voice, place the voice on social media, you go the hear. You know, as when they carry information, they come. So you just put the voice of grandpapa, you the hear grandpapa, they talk the thing. If you want time, the money where you go pay, you go be times 3. But if you just want to know the information of what is going on, you won't go check your research. That one, the money they cheaper. So everything are payments. You see, and say people where they carry information, say don't be small money. You see, and say people where they carry information, then too, that they pay to get information from people. Now, Juju Ekwensu and Yo-Yo-Yo, now 2 of them plan this thing together. No be only Juju Ekwensu, no be only Juju Ekwensu papa. Yo-Yo-Yo, now be their champion for inside. Then can't use Papa Juju Ekwensu. Till they take the personality, they can't take Papa Juju Ekwensu. Till they deceive people, say na grandpapa be that. So many of the information that has been flying on social media about grandpapa, a lot of things that has been said about grandpapa, that person, according to them, my narration, according to waiting them then talk, they say that person is not grandpapa. All the information you have been hearing about grandpapa being wicked, being treating me Edochie bad, being bad and evil, they say none of them is from the table of Pete Edochie. Now this Iyefulefu son, when he go carry financial setback, when he be says financial setback and the family hungry, they beat them, decided to use grandpapa personality to take they eat for social media. Hey, my people, I just want to believe that this story is not true. Yes, now, that is what I want to believe. If not, to this extent, Yo-Yo-Yo. So, that Juju Ekwensu papa, if they give information, he get the way that they use AI till they do and go be like saying na grandpapa, now they talk, and no be grandpapa. Now they pass out all this information wey they say they fly for social media. They say na them na they operate am. And people has been paying them to get the latest information. Everything you're hearing is they say na Juju Ekwensu and you now they forge all those story about grandpapa. Hey, wonder shall never end. So this is how they have been using the personality of Grandpapa Pete Edochie till they deceive the world that this man did this man did that. Just because they say the man refused to accept Juju Ekwensu. Say Juju Ekwensu has been lying on the head of Grandpapa. They say she started it with Josephine Edochie. Now she send message, go Josephine Edochie phone, tell her say Grandpapa is the father of Sadike then. They say na Juju Ekwensu do am. They say na wetin she just sabi. This one that they call wonders shall never end. So when they come find out, they say Grandpapa call the verse. Grandpapa come they provoke, say, they are going to arrest them. They are going to sue them. When Grandpapa come here, say, na his son, na he be their managing director of wetin dey happen. Say you hands dey inside. But they come post Grandpapa. If he talk and come outside, if people hear, they will drag his son. He cannot go and arrest Juju Ekwensu papa and just Juju Ekwensu. Now 3 of them, now he do the crime. His son, you dey. So his son, where they call you, now he personally sell the papa out. They use the papa till they make money, giving people wrong information about his father, making people to believe that the father is in support of him and Juju Ekwensu behind closed door, which according to what they talk now, say Pete Edochie knows nothing about everything that is being said about him. This was strong, oh. Yeah. So according to what they talk, will not be me talk, waiting them talk. Because we have been seeing things happening. We have been getting information, but they said all this information. Now you carry Papa Juju Ekwensu sit down there. Hey. They use Papa Juju Ekwensu till they make money. If you want to hear the latest gist, if you go, you pay. So all these things where they happen. Now you. Just to, they say you and Juju Ekwensu say, as Pete Edochie refuse to accept Juju Ekwensu, as Pete Edochie refused to welcome them, as Pete Edochie decided to disgrace them, they will show a pepe. So all these things, now Juju Ekwensu and you now they carry all this rumor about the father. Waiting all they happen. They say body post Pete Edochie. I want to arrest his son, join them. They have been using the old man to make money. Hey, you the prodigal son. Prodigal son has been using his father to make money. You and Juju Ekwensu has been using Pete Edochie to make money. They say na punishment when you not take accept Juju Ekwensu. So they've been destroying the man's name. Everything you've been hearing about Pete Edochie, they said no one is coming from Pete Edochie. It is Papa Juju Ekwensu that has been spreading these informations all over the social media. It's all coming from the father of Juju Ekwensu. Now he don't take the position of Yul Edochie to give wrong information. They say till today, Pete Edochie never accepted Juju Ekwensu. Never. According to what they talk, they say he never accepted her. And Josephine Edochie and Juju Ekwensu never sit down. Say, hello, how you doing? They say, lie. Josephine Edochie don't cancel and rejected Juju Ekwensu. Even before you come carry am enter house. Hey, they say the Edochie family have nothing to do with these people. They say na Juju Ekwesu and you just dey put all this narrative so that people will not just look at them like outcasts. They say all these things now to destroy Peter Edochie name and to make you all believe that Peter Edochie is in support of Juju Ekwesu. Make it not be like say she dey her own. They say Juju Ekwesu is on her own world. Nobody from the Edochie family, when I mean nobody at all, when it be say he accept Juju Ekwesu, nobody. They say even the son where Peter Edochie pray for that son, but that man rejected that curse. That man returned that curse. Hey, people where they do tradition things now, they understand this part. He returned those blessings when he prayed for that child. He returned it back. He collected those blessings back. Now, wow, things they happen. So, Juju Ekwesu has been exposed, though. Juju Ekwesu and her family, they have been exposed. They say the investigation going on right now. Peter Edochie the man don't confuse. Right now, if you say me they go arrest Juju Ekwesu papa, it will involve his son. So Peter Edochie come weak for the matter. But they say the investigators, they've already sent a message to Papa Juju Ekwesu to come to the police station to answer some query. Yeah, things are really happening, my lovely fans. Now hungry can't cause this one what? So all the things you people have been hearing about Peter Edochie is not coming from Peter Edochie. They say na Juju Ekwesu papa. Now they carry all those rumors for social media just to destroy the image of the real Peter Edochie. He has been claiming and impersonating Peter Edochie. He is not Peter Edochie. Everything one at the year, they say Juju Ekwesu, fear no go let her enter Inteje. Fear no go let her enter Peter Edochie house. Hey. They said Juju Ekwesu, fear no go let her enter Peter Edochie house. Never. They say it cannot happen. They say the family of the Edochie, they rejected her. Rejected her, not be small. They said till tomorrow, they let Juju Ekwesu know say she will never be welcomed into their household. When we thought we've seen it all, when we thought we've heard it all, things are really happening. So Yo sold his father to people, lied about his father, said a lot of things about this old man, which was not true. Hey, what do you guys think? Is this just another propaganda, another story? Or is it really true that Yo did this to his father? Just for people to believe that he and the papa, they get connection. They say Yo and the papa no get that kind of connection again. Two of them no they relate at all. So right now, according to what they talk, Yo, so you sold your father out just because you want to make money. You make people they drag your papa according to what your own family they talk now. So how true is this, Yo? You need to come outside to come and explain. No? Come explain, give us. Because this is coming from your family people. This one strong, oh. Yo. How can you betray your father like this? If this story is true. If it is true. Because at this point, everybody will want to protect the image. Because Juju Ekwesu don't come out today, say you go talk, oh. Who knows? Maybe they are trying to cover up the other side and open one side. Who knows? At this point, we not going to know what to believe anymore. Because this one now, they say, no be Peter Edochie, say na Juju Ekwesu papa. Now Juju Ekwesu and Yo carry put for there. If you want to get the latest information, you will collect money. No wonder that lawyer say me they call still they pay money. My people, I tell you, I say, when we thought we've heard it all, we've not heard anything. When we thought we've seen it all, Mbano, our eyes never see anything. This is just the beginning of this story. Another one I will just see the year again. So you open eyes, say your papa, for the war to be dragging. Why you were making money with it? Hey, my lovely fans, what do you guys think? Is the Edochie family telling us the truth or it is the truth? Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up my YouTube channel. God bless you.